I want you to click the Kinsta link I have put at the very top of the description. I am asking you to do this because if you are running a membership site, a course, or a forum, you are facing a technical problem that standard caching plugins simply cannot solve. It is the reason your members are complaining about speed, even though your speed tests look green. So open that link, keep it in a tab, and let's talk about the logged in problem. Here is the secret about website speed. Most websites feel fast because of caching. When a visitor comes to your homepage, the server doesn't actually build the page. It just hands them a photocopy of the page it built yesterday. It is fast because it is cheating, but a membership site is different. When a user logs in, they see their name. They see their profile. They see their course progress. You cannot photocopy that. You cannot cache it. Every single time a member clicks a link, the server has to wake up, go to the database, build a unique page just for that person, and serve it. This is called uncached traffic. And this is where cheap hosting dies. Cheap hosts rely on caching to hide the fact that their servers are weak. As soon as a user logs in and bypasses the cache, the server is exposed. It is like asking a weak person to lift a heavy weight. They buckle. This is why your sales page, which is cached, loads in 1 second, but your member dashboard, which is uncached, takes 5 seconds. You cannot fix this with a plugin. WP Rocket cannot cache a dynamic dashboard. You need raw CPU power. This is why I host all membership sites on Kinsta. Go back to that link I told you to open. Kinsta solves this in 2 ways. First, the rules. Kinsta has specific, built-in rules for popular membership plugins like MemberPress, WooCommerce Memberships, and BaPress. It automatically knows, okay, this user is logged in. Do not try to serve them the photocopy. Give them the live version instantly. You don't have to code these exclusions. They are automatic. Second, the engine. Because you cannot cache these pages, you need a server that can think fast. Kinsta uses Google Cloud C to compute optimized machines. These processors crunch data roughly 200% faster than the standard servers you get at Bluehost or SiteGround. So, when your server has to build a unique page for a member, it does it in 0.5 seconds instead of 3 seconds. I had a client with a massive LearnDash course. His students were furious. They would click next lesson, and the wheel would spin for 10 seconds. He tried every caching plugin on the market. Nothing worked. We migrated him to Kinsta. We didn't change the site, we just changed the engine. The next lesson load time dropped to under 1 second. Why? Because the Kinsta server could handle the heavy, uncached PHP request without sweating. If you are building a community, you cannot treat your members like strangers. You cannot serve them photocopies. You need a server that is strong enough to write a personal letter to every single user, instantly. Click the Kinsta link in the description. Get the power you need for dynamic content. Click the link, migrate your community, and stop making your members wait.